Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar, broadly viewed as quite possibly of the best cricketer throughout the entire existence of the game, was brought into the world on 24 April 1973 in Mumbai, India. He is frequently alluded to as the Little Expert and the Lord of Cricket by his fans and cricket devotees all over the planet. Tendulkar's momentous cricketing profession spread over almost a fourth of a long time, and his records and accomplishments are incredible. Here is a concise history of Sachin Tendulkar. Early life. Sachin was naturally introduced to a working-class family in Mumbai, previously Bombay. His dad, Ramesh Tendulkar, was a teacher, and his mom, Rajni, worked in the protection business. Sachin showed an early fitness for cricket and started playing the game quite early on. His ability was sustained by his senior sibling, Ajit Tendulkar, who assumed a critical part in his initial improvement as a cricketer. Debut for India. Sachin made his presentation for the Indian public cricket crew at 16 years old, in a test match against Pakistan in 1989. Notwithstanding his childhood, he showed astounding expertise and development in his batting, hinting his future significance. Worldwide vocation. Throughout his celebrated lifetime, Sachin Tendulkar turned into the most elevated run scorer throughout the entire existence of both Test and one-day global (ODI) cricket. He scored a record-breaking 100 worldwide hundreds of years and amassed north of 34,000 runs in global cricket. Accomplishments. Tendulkar's vocation was loaded up with various records and awards. He was the principal player to score a two-fold 100 years in an ODI, and he held the record for the most runs in a solitary World Cup competition. He got various honours, including the Arjuna Grant, the Padma Shri, and the Bharat Ratna, India's most elevated non-military personnel grant. Captaincy. Sachin Tendulkar likewise filled in as the commander of the Indian cricket crew for a period. Despite the fact that captaincy was not his best stage, he kept on succeeding as a batsman. Retirement. Tendulkar bid goodbye to global cricket in 2013, playing his last match against the West Indies. His retirement was an exceptionally close to home second for cricket fans around the world, denoting the conclusion of an important time period. Post-retirement. Subsequent to resigning from proficient cricket, Sachin Tendulkar has been engaged with different charitable exercises and undertakings. He has likewise remained firmly connected with the game through mentorship and analysis jobs. Sachin Tendulkar's effect on cricket rises above insights. He isn't just celebrated for his unprecedented batting, yet in addition for his lowliness, sportsmanship, and the motivation he gave endless desiring cricketers. His vocation remains as a demonstration of commitment, difficult work, and resolute energy for the sport of cricket, making him a persevering true symbol in the realm of sports. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.